Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering AI-powered PPE detection solutions that help industries improve workplace safety, ensure compliance, and prevent accidents through intelligent video analytics. In industrial environments, ensuring PPE compliance across multiple shifts, large work areas, and hazardous zones is a major challenge. Manual monitoring is time-consuming, inconsistent, and may miss critical safety violations. Brilliant PPE detection solution uses existing CCTV cameras and AI-based computer vision to continuously monitor workers in real time. The video feed is processed by the AI engine, which identifies workers and checks whether required PPE items are present, such as helmets, safety vests, gloves, safety shoes, face masks, and goggles. Whenever a worker enters a restricted or operational area without proper PPE, the system automatically detects the violation, captures the event, and generates an instant alert on the dashboard, mobile device, email, or control room screen. The solution enables 24/7 automated safety monitoring, faster response to violations, improved PPE compliance, reduced workplace risks, and better visibility for safety teams and management. With brilliant PPE detection solutions, organizations can reduce manual supervision, prevent safety incidents, improve compliance readiness, and build a stronger safety culture. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.